There's this girl I met up in Tennessee. Blonde hair, big blue eyes, the prettiest girl I've ever seen. And when I think of her, I thank the Lord above, 'cause I never thought I could be so in love. There's something about you, girl,